is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who wants to play. Let us dance through the ABCs. Sing it loud, 1, 2, 3. From A to Z, come groove with me. Learning letters is so easy. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who hops all day. G is for guitar, we strum and sing. H is for hat, let's do our thing. Let it spin through the ABCs. Jump and twirl like buzzing bees. From A to Z, we clap with glee. It's an alphabet jamboree. I is for ice cream, cold and yum. J is for jumping, let's have fun. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for noodles, eat with glee. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for pizza, share with me. Let it come and shout your ABCs. Wiggle like you're in the trees. From A to Z, we move our feet. Learning letters is such a treat. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for rainbow coming down. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for train chugging in the night. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin in the sweet refrain. W is for whale who sings a tune. X is for xylophone, ding ding doon. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. And so we dance through the ABCs. From A to Z so happily. Now you know your letters, yay for you. Let's sing it again just like new. You're more A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we've sung our ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, N, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.